Hi, I'm Brad Wilson with King Electrical Manufacturing Company, and today we have an update for you on this King Classic, the KBP Compact Multi-Wattage Unit Heater. You know, after 30 years of proven reliability, we've decided to reintroduce the KBP in a brand new color. It's called Onyx Gray. Based on feedback from customers like you, this simple switch to a new color updates the classic design to perfectly complement today's industrial style decor. These versatile Pic-A-Watt style heaters are designed to fit in a wide range of applications, from light commercial spaces, offices, workshops, or garages, and even provide an ideal solution for greenhouse heating. But what exactly is a Pic-A-Watt heater? Way back in 1987, King developed the exclusive Pic-A-Watt steel element that offers multiple wattages in one element, providing a versatile heating system that can be tailored to a customer's specific needs. It's like having 6 different heaters in the one box. Adjusting the wattage is as simple as moving a few quick connect terminals to drop the wattage of the heater instantly. The flow-through design efficiently pulls the air from the back of the heater and discharges it out the front. The 70-degree temperature rise makes it a perfect people heater, as the air is very comfortable, and it's really like a tropical breeze. Standard controls include a 3-position heat, fan, and off switch, which means the KBP can even be run as a ventilation fan in the summer months. And with the accurate capillary tube built-in thermostat, control of your comfort has never been easier. The KBP delivers up to 5,700 watts of heat, enough heat to comfortably heat a 700 square foot space, but can also be set to as low as 950 watts for a much smaller space. Tailoring the heater to your room is a very important step that saves energy. It increases the life of your heater and makes the space more comfortable to work in. And don't forget, King heaters like the KBP are proudly made right here in Seattle, Washington. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.